I have made a 4-part tutorial about how to make a pentaplane. The Pentaplane is a micro radio control plane, which can be flown with a smartphone.
Cleared for takeoff.
It involves 2 major parts, the airframe and the power-up smart module. The power-up module is a product made by Power-Up Toys. It was designed to power and control origami paper planes. For more information about the module, you can go to www.poweruptoys.com. My tutorial focuses on how to build a foam airframe that can work with the power-up module. It is meant for helping those who have very little experience in building RC model planes. Therefore, the tutorial is very detailed and thorough. Most of the content is in real time without acceleration, except for those repetitive segments. If you find some parts of the tutorial too detailed, you can always fast forward or skip them. The plane was designed to make building it simple. It is basically made of 2 flat pieces with all straight edges. There are no curvature or tricky angles involved. The building materials, paper, foam plate, and glue, are easy to find and easy to work with. The tools needed to complete the plane are a paper cutting knife and a ruler. As mentioned earlier, the tutorial is comprised of 4 parts. The first part is about 11 minutes long. It talks about why a foam model plane is better than a paper model plane. Then, it shows how the paper parts of the pentaplane are made. The second part of the tutorial is about 15 minutes. It shows step by step how the foam parts are made. The third part of the tutorial is about 14 minutes. This part is all about putting parts together using glue. The fourth part of the tutorial is about 12 minutes. In this part, the assembly of the plane is continued and completed. And at the end this final part, one of the short test flights is shown for enjoyment. Altogether, the tutorial is about 52 minutes, covering the complete build process. I hope it can help people understand how a simple foam RC plane is made. You can find links to the 4 parts of the tutorial in the description section of this video.